Bun is an all-in-one toolkit for running, building, and debugging JavaScript and TypeScript. Version 1.0 is now available. Bun is a drop-in replacement for NodeJS and a JavaScript bundler with an SBuild-compatible plugin API. It also functions as an NPM-compatible package manager and a Jest-compatible test runner. Bun can run virtually any Node.js application in the wild. The life expectancy of someone in the US infected with HIV is currently about the same as the rest of the population. This is largely due to antiretroviral therapy, a daily treatment regimen that decreases the level of HIV in a person's blood to the point it's no longer detectable or transmittable. There have been a handful of people over the last couple of decades that have been able to reach undetectable HIV levels while off treatment, essentially meaning they've been cured of the disease. New universal cures are now on the horizon. A look into why software prices are surging despite reduced spending. Software costs are rising as budgets tighten, and companies are still waiting for long-term investments to pay off. This article contains advice on how to pass job interviews from someone who has completed more than 100 interviews as an interviewer at Amazon, Meta, and Datadog. Japan has successfully launched a rocket with a lunar lander. The lander will attempt a moon landing in February if all goes well. Studios can gain Rotten Tomatoes and boost movie ratings. NGINX Unit is a universal web app server that serves static media assets and runs application code in 7 languages. It is intended as a universal building block for any web architecture. NGINX Unit's native RESTful JSON API enables dynamic updates with 0 interruptions and flexible configuration. It has a complex asynchronous multi-threading architecture that ensures security and robustness. Apple will likely unveil this year's newest iPhones, Apple Watches, and AirPods at its fall event on Tuesday. This page contains a list of the products expected to be announced at the event along with industry reports, analyses, and the latest rumors. It also discusses what likely won't be unveiled at the event but may appear in the near future. Elon Musk apparently vetoed plans for Tesla to build a $25,000 electric car in favor of developing robotaxis. He finally relented when aides revealed a plan to build both a robotaxi and an inexpensive small car side by side. A $25,000 electric car would be a game changer for the auto industry. Tesla's master plan always called for using money made from early models to bring down the cost of future vehicles. The Mars Oxygen In Situ Resource Utilization Experiment, MOXIE, has come to an end. It exceeded NASA's initial goals, demonstrating capabilities that could help future astronauts explore Mars. It will also make it possible to generate oxygen for powering spacecraft. MOXIE has generated 122 grams of oxygen since the experiment kicked off 2 years ago. It works by converting Mars' plentiful carbon dioxide into oxygen. Flexport founder Ryan Peterson has rescinded dozens of employment offers 2 days after Dave Clark's departure as CEO. Peterson says that the company is also looking to lease out office space. The moves are intended to get company costs under control. It appears that Flexport is now shifting from a growth-at-any-cost strategy to curbing spending and becoming profitable. This article contains an adapted excerpt from Walter Isaacson's biography of Elon Musk. The book is set to be published on September 12. This chapter describes Musk's involvement with the company's full self-driving, FSD, project. The newest version of FSD imitates what humans do. This presents some issues, as even the best drivers fudge traffic rules. Elysia is a fast and friendly bun web framework that automatically infers types from code. This document is a collection of resources on the different aspects of frontier model training created to help people learn about the field and use the information to help inform their own models.